What do? It feels warm because it's inflamed, it's irritated, so let's shrink the inflammation with cold, all right? We never want to put heat on that. This is a severe condition that is occurring acutely, which means it's new. It's acute, it just started with pregnancy, and boy, it's intense. So let's shrink that down with cold running water. Just stick it under the faucet until it's deeply cold. 10 to 20 to 30 seconds. The woman I'm talking about who had this and she was in tears, we did it in the office. She felt better. Then I said, go home and do this every hour for the rest of today until you go to bed. Every hour. And then the next day, just continue doing it automatically, just prophylactically, late morning or even early morning if you have to, at least late morning, lunchtime, dinner time, and before bed, or again, or more often if it's necessary.